Nakajing Pampatyo tulap ki Nongtrei ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council GHADC kabala don kembas sau pulai benai na duusnam arajar khatsan kala penlong yo Dr. Mukul sangma haringkat baki MDC na rilum Garo hakajan miet joka sitarik nailar araja arpusan menlek ujor sa ulat kejela UCH BJ Shankar halor kedika mat bat ban pen paru sa artli ki weipat ki mat jingdawa joka council. Habakran sikilat pathay kubor ucerak W Moment MDC ke Karkuta na North Garo Hills ulaong. Banakaliang kinongtrei ke GHADC kila penlong da ke Ïakhih pajba nadu ke nyo tarik unai tung araja arpusan bandawa siu no ya ketulap klem da ap kami ya ki weipat ki skim sorkar.
Brought our problems, whatever we are facing in Garo Autonomous District Council. Since you may be aware about non-getting of salary for 43 months. And this is our main topic of discussion with Honorable Governor, and then we have number of issues which has been discussed with His Excellency Governor of Meghalaya. One issue is the pending bill of Garo codification of Garo customary law, which we have discussed, and then the second part is recently our Garo Autonomous District Council session has been adjourned abruptly, so we submitted our humble submission to His Excellency Governor of Meghalaya for giving us an opportunity by having a special session in GHADC to discuss many problems what we are facing in Garo Autonomous District Council. And then we are very happy that Governor has responded us very positively, and we are looking forward that with his kind intervention, I think whatever we have raised the issue today, it will be materialized. Today we have submitted three points which we can share with you. No, we didn't ask for any, like, our point is that whatever the problem we are facing in the Garo Autonomous District Council, we are just asking the present dispensation, I mean the present government, to solve it, and then whatever the problem facing by the employees in GHADC, that has to be solved. I think you may be aware that in 2015, the pending salary is just 4 months in 2015. So right from 2015 till now, it's 43 months of pending salaries. So you got the point that for from 2015 till date, who is running the GHADC, and then whatever the points they may rise, but it's very clear that in 2015, when they took charge, the ruling dispensation, the same one, it's only 4 months pending salary was there, now it's 43. You may be aware that in GHADC, the employees, they have started sit-in demonstration right from 7th of this July, and till date, they are doing a demonstration, sit-in demonstration, and other like peace rally and all. So it's a matter of concern, big concern, and then they are asking their salary, and they are not asking anything, any schemes, but they are asking whatever they are supposed to get. See, early election means now it's almost 9 months, like 8 or 9 months is there for election. So the ruling dispensation, they should know what they have to do. So we are very aware about the things, what is going on, and then we are ready to face.
So any assurance on the special session by the governor?
So he mentioned that he will look into it.
Dr. Mukul sangma ulaong balada ka sorkar ka susngap jar klam ay jubab ya ka jingut ki Nongtrei ka council klam pep ki nangilam kalyang persya kin siya snok tilang hakate ka Ïakhih.
Concern with which we have sought an audience with the Honorable Governor, and we had an exhaustive discussion, our distinguished MDCs were able to articulate the issues concerning our autonomous district council and how the insensitivity of the government towards autonomous district councils have been articulated in a manner which has reflected our deep concern about the issue. And our MDCs have sought for his kind intervention and to also somehow take up the issue with the authorities in Delhi, with the concerned union ministry, and at the same time utilize his distinguished honorable office to deal with all those concerns which have been flagged by our distinguished MDCs. And it is a matter of concern for everybody of the state of Meghalaya, that the state of Meghalaya today is witnessing something which has never happened. The level of insensitivity with which the government is handling the issue of Garo's Autonomous District Council. The employees of Garo's Autonomous District Council having not received salary for last consecutive 43 months. And you can understand the impact on the overall functioning of the ADCs. So this issue has to be taken very seriously, and we could at least see that the governor has been very considerate in listening. The level of insensitivity with which the government is dealing with the issue of the problem of Garo's Autonomous District Council, in spite of the fact that the employees of Garo's Autonomous District Council who have not received their salary for last 43 months have been agitating since 7th of last month, that means 7th of July, and till now there has been no response whatsoever. It is a reflection of their insensitivity, lack of concern, and dereliction of duty of the highest level. Therefore, it will be necessary for the people to not remain in silence, but it has become necessary for everyone to raise our voice. And I would like to inform the government that if the government does not take this problem into cognizance and fulfill their responsibility, the constitutional responsibility towards addressing this problem of Garo's Autonomous District Council, it will be necessary for us to join the agitation along with the employees of the Garo's Autonomous District Council. And I feel that even the people belonging to all walks of life also should raise their voice and articulate their concern appropriately.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jingmentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.